So who would win in a fight? Feynman or Fermi?
Richard Feynman or Enrico Fermi?
Yeah.
Like the physicists?
Yeah.
Neither. They wouldn't be fighting.
No, but see, what if one day they were having coffee over the atomic bomb, right? And then they start fighting over the target in Japan. And Feynman's all like, they should bomb an industrial area away from civilization. But Fermi's all like, we should bomb Kyoto. So then they get in a fist fight while Oppenheimer's in the bathroom or something.
Well, that didn't happen.
But what if it did? Who would win?
Do they have weapons?
No.
No.
Fist fight.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey!
Yes.
Alright, we're gonna go get food. You two stay beautiful.
You know, I actually should keep jogging. I have to apply for jobs and stuff later. I need to get back.
You're applying to Matt's job, right?
That's why I thought you were here to see Matt, seeing as he's the one doing the hiring.
He's applying too.
You did?
Okay, well, I didn't know that you were applying as well.
I'm just playing the field, Alex. Alex, aren't you applying for that job too?
Well, I hope you don't get the job.
So you're blackmailing me?
I applied first.
You did not.
I need this job. I cannot stay there for another 2 months. I am going to kill someone. You'll see it in the newspaper. Local girl, 22, kills her parents in their sleep.
Okay, you wouldn't do that.
I would, I might. I mean, at least I'd be on the front of the newspaper.
I mean, they put anything on the front of the newspaper. I mean, if you made the cover of the Chronicle, then we'll talk.
Oh my god, Seb, you're fighting a snake? Shouldn't you be wearing, like, gloves or something?
There's no snake, just the nest.
Probably long gone by now.
Thanks to me.